aba bakirwa muri NRM kandi bashabwa kwatanisa kureba ngo ekibiina cyagumza munamani hamwe no kurundana obushagiki obundo muri Kasese district. Dr. Crispus Chionga ori chairman w'ekibiina cyarwanyisirizo muri Kasese nagira ngo barumuntu betegura karuke 2026 kandi ashabire enkwatanisa omubantu.
Have been also receiving another series of people coming back to the movement, and we are due to hold many more functions across the district to receive those who have made a decision to return to the movement.
Tuganiraho na bamwe abahindukire kane kibahinduire.
There are some other people, there's a members in a top leadership even here in Kasese, that people now, some they are behind the NRM money, and even others they are not in others even they are even the state himself even from the offices of the NRM of FDC. So now that's why now I said no, that confusion I cannot even live on that confusion.
We have gone far opposing President Museveni's government, and it is not going. And we have seen the way I've seen it. I've observed that there is peace, democracy, and transparency. That is why I've joined FDC, NRM, to be in touch with them and mobilize so that the country should be in peace, like how I'm saying.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.